Reiki 1, Lesson 7. Anatomic Illustrations for Reiki. Reiki with its infinite wisdom goes to the place in the body that requires healing. That is why Reiki is so easy to learn and apply. There is no need to study the anatomy of the human body or animals to treat a person or animal successfully. You simply place your hands on the body and channel the energy. Reiki will do the rest. However, it can be helpful to know where the major organs, lymphatic and endocrine systems are in the body. This knowledge will allow you to treat specific problems or organs quickly and easily. The following illustrations are simple diagrams of the human anatomy. If you decide to further your studies, we recommend that you make full use of your public library. They will have books on the human anatomy as well as books on the anatomy of various pets and animals. Of course, the internet and the World Wide Web offers a multitude of free information, and any good search engine will open up a doorway to many excellent guides to the anatomy. The endocrine system. This system consists of the ductless glands that release hormones. It works together with the nervous system in regulating metabolic activities so that homeostasis is maintained. There are a few primary endocrine glands: the pituitary gland at the base of the brain, the thyroid gland in the neck, the 4 or 5 parathyroid glands in the tissues around the thyroid, the 2 adrenal glands above the kidney against the posterior wall of the abdomen, certain areas of the pancreas near the stomach, the sex glands, or gonads, testes in the male and ovaries in the female. Various hormones are released in the endocrine glands, with each secretion causing a different reaction in the body. These include the body's growth rate, control of sex and reproductive functions, and the regulation of calcium and phosphate levels in the blood. Please review the images within this video or via our members areas for more information. The lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a system of thin tubes that runs throughout the body. These tubes are called lymph vessels. You may also hear them called lymphatic vessels. The lymphatic system is similar to blood circulation. The tubes branch through all parts of the body like the arteries and veins that carry blood, except that the lymphatic system carries a colorless liquid called lymph. Lymph is a milky body fluid that contains a type of white blood cell called lymphocytes, along with proteins and fats. Lymph seeps outside the blood vessels in spaces of body tissue and is stored in the lymphatic system to flow back into the bloodstream. Through the flow of blood in and out of arteries and into the veins, and through the lymph nodes and into the lymph, the body is able to eliminate the products of cellular breakdown and bacterial invasion. 2 very large areas are of significance in this system: the right lymphatic duct, which drains lymph fluid from the upper right quarter of the body above the diaphragm and down the midline, and the thoracic duct, a structure roughly 16 inches long located in the mediastinum of the pleural cavity, which drains the rest of the body. It is through the actions of this system, including the spleen, the thymus, lymph nodes, and lymph ducts, that our body is able to fight infection and to ward off invasion from foreign invaders. Lymph plays an important role in the immune system and in absorbing fats from the intestines. The lymphatic vessels are present wherever there are blood vessels and transport excess fluid to the end vessel without the assistance of any pumping action. There are more than 100 tiny oval structures called lymph nodes. These are mainly in the neck, groin and armpits, but are scattered all along the lymph vessels. They act as barriers to infection by filtering out and destroying toxins and germs. The largest body of lymphoid tissue in the human body is the spleen. Once again, please review the diagrams within this video and also within the Reiki Store members area for more information. Alternatively, please search your local library and the internet for more information. But remember, Reiki will go where it's needed, so it's not important to be an expert on the human body. This concludes Lesson 7. Please move on now to Lesson 8.